Ever feel like your project is slipping out of control? Managing scattered tasks, aligning your team, and tracking the budget can easily lead to missed deadlines and chaos. Imagine a tool that simplifies your entire project and management process. ONtezo is your all-in-one platform that lets you create user stories. You can quickly and easily create user stories and backlogs tailored to your project's specific goals, and manage tasks with precision, ensuring your team stays on track and meets deadlines every time. And when it comes to tracking time, ONtezo makes it simple. You can log and monitor the time spent on tasks with ease. Plus, ONtezo makes it easy to visualize your project's progress at a glance. With intuitive dashboards, you can get real-time insights into every phase of your project, so you'll always know exactly where things stand. And it's not just about task management. With ONtezo, you can centralize, score, and qualify all your leads in one place. Plus, you'll get a high-level overview of multiple projects, track finances, analyze profitability, and make data-driven decisions with powerful reporting tools. ONtezo also takes your team's efficiency to the next level by leveraging AI to generate custom code for your tasks, so you can simplify development processes and speed up workflow. Need a clear view of your project path? ONtezo's timeline view gives you the clarity to anticipate and navigate even the most complex project's paths. You can visualize every milestone and dependency, helping you stay ahead and avoid roadblocks. And because balanced workloads are key to keeping your team productive, ONtezo allows you to manage employee assignments with ease, ensuring that no one is overburdened and everyone stays efficient. Streamline your project execution with our AI Scrum Master that can conduct stand-ups and ask questions to identify project blockers and generate detailed meeting minutes. With ONtezo, you'll stay ahead of deadlines, streamline your workflow, and exceed your goals every time.